So, friend, now I'm at Pantin supermarket. Uh, this is a luxurious market, as you can see behind of me. Uh, I'm here to buy some purse for me. I will check because I need that. Okay, so let me show you this market view, and you can understand. This is a food spot where you can see different type of product. It is a very stranger with taste from us. Friend, I want to show you something here. This is a product of India. If you know that, so I will show you. Sensodyne. It is available. Uh, you can also get in India. Uh, and you want to see his price. 129 baht. It means you should uh, do multiply by 3 and you can know her value near 319 around 387 it will be the price. So there are some Indian product also, but very expensive. Friend, I want to show you some products which is called ingredients, and you can also use in your vegetables. Like, but you know, there are many different of ingredients. Here is your level. Uh, Many types, friend, because I just know uh, turmeric and some things, but there are many types. I don't know how uses those things. You know, many types you can see. I don't. Ah, many types I can't count and I can't learn some products and I don't know them. Warm and some fishes and I am vegetarian. So this is a street food market where you will get found uh, vegetables and meat also here. And Papa Pizza Center.
Này, vì có finila moslu mà.
No, 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 no. Go to bad. This can be bad. Understand? Because they are already here. Vegetables. What?
You don't know crab.
Crab. There are many variety of meats. It is hard to be stay for the person who is vegetarian, and it is also for me because I am vegetarian friends. That's why I have arranged a room where I can put myself. Mm. You want to buy? Okay, this is time to come back home. The shopping have been finished. There are fruits
not able to
have in
banana
have in home.
banana นะ